Welcome to PeezyFX's trading, everybody. Today I'm going to go over my weekly outlook and the trades that I'm looking forward to placing. All right, first I want to start with DXY. This is my, my roadmap to cable and fiber. As you can see here, I got buy side liquidity marked up. I also have sell side liquidity marked up. What do you see more of? See more of buy side liquidity. We got relative equal highs right here, and we got our ultimate goal, our ultimate target right here, which is March's high. All right. So as you can see on Friday, we had a lot of volume, and that is, it's kind of unusual for Friday's trading. We had a lot of volume on Sunday as well. So it's just leading me to believe that this run down right here was to clear sell side liquidity and to rebalance and reprice to go higher. I feel like this thing is going to go higher. And the ultimate target is up here. And of course, these equal highs right here. All right, so it jumped down into a 1 hour time frame. And I have these relative equal highs marked up right here. And this is the equal highs on the daily. Okay, so you see I have this order block circle right here. And I would really like to see price come back down and maybe dig into this order block here before we go higher. So maybe Sunday and Monday give us some sideways price action and then take it out the sell side liquidity that will be generated here in order for us to buy it at a discount and ride this thing up. Of course, we don't trade the DXY. I'm just speaking in terms of, when this thing's going higher, we're selling Euro USD and the pound versus the dollar. So that's my take on DXY. We'll hop over to Euro USD. And I don't know what's going on here, guys, but we just got hell of manipulation right here at the market open. 125 pips. Okay, 125 pips. And what we got was price jumping right up here to this 20 level, taking out this swing high. So that was 100% manipulation right there. And at this point, I mean, my bias is pretty clear cut on the DXY, but that happening at market open, I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to look at this as a sign that that fiber wants to go higher. I'm really not convinced in that, because these equal lows, them just leaving these equal lows down here is just, it's too suspect for me. You have another set of equal lows right here. And this is the low of 2020, I believe. No, it's not. I'm sorry. But these are the equal lows of 2020. Now, if they want to drive price lower, taking out these equal lows and possibly these, if not reacting off this order block and then send it higher, I could go for that. But this little run on liquidity here and then taking off going higher, I just don't see that happening. But it's a strong possibility, man. But the DXY, the moves on the DXY, I feel as if this was just a reprice and a rebalance to go higher. So maybe that's what this was. So let's jump down to a 1 hour time frame, and you can clearly see the 125 pip manipulation sweeping these equal highs right here, relative equal highs, and then slamming back down. So it opened, traded. It looks like it opened and shot straight up and then came back down and closed here and then opened here. So it's too early in the week to really tell, but I'm bearish. I'm bearish on this. I'm bullish on the dollar. And I really want to see these equal lows get taken and this get taken in the long run. Well, not in the long run, maybe next week. But the volatility that we are seeing here lately, it could get that in one day. Could definitely get that in 1 or 2 days. All right, so go back down to the 1 hour. All right, so let's anticipate for Sunday and Monday to give us some healthy consolidation. And then maybe Tuesday and Wednesday, we get a run up and try to catch the high of the week and ride this thing down to take out these equal lows. That's what I want to see. Okay, so cable is going to be the same thing. We have relative equal highs up here, so I would definitely want to see price run out that, maybe come in here into this area, that 1.39100, 1.39200 level right here, and then taking off, going lower. Okay. I could be 100%, sorry about that, guy. I could be 100% wrong. I'm not a fortune teller, but, and these relative equal highs right here are kind of suspect, but we do got a clear break in structure to the downside. Okay. As you can see, we've been bullish. We got this break here. Okay, then we got this run down here. Go to a weekly, and this push down was the shift in market structure for me. Okay, and then that final run down right there, we might come back up to hit this mitigation block up here before we go lower, but I don't think so. I think we're just going to roll over and go lower. All right, so let's jump to Euro GBP. We caught this beautiful run up right here in the Discord group. Right here, this is where we caught it at. I traded this in this consolidation and just held it until Friday. Beautiful run up. Shifting in market structure, taking out this high. We shifted. So let's anticipate catching the low of the week, maybe trading down, taking out this liquidity that's in here. And going higher, getting in on a pullback, okay? That's what I want to see for that. Let's look at UCAD. So I want to see higher prices on the dollar, therefore higher prices on UCAD. We got clear breaking structure here, price trading up, taking out all this liquidity, and immediate rebalance. And now price is just kind of moving sideways right now. So I will not be touching this thing until we start seeing a more strong willingness to go higher. Drop down to a 1 hour. So you got clear targets up here. You got clear, beautiful equal highs up here. You got buy side liquidity right there. Okay, you got the same thing right here. And here's some short-term equal highs. I would be looking for them to get taken out here soon. Equal lows here as well. So it is possible for price to come down and get them before going higher. But looking at the way it opened up, I would say that these are about to get got here soon. So come up, get them, you know, probably show some resistance in this level, a pull back down to, you know, the high of the consolidation, and then go higher. That's what I'm predicting there. Now let's go over gold. Caught a beautiful, beautiful position here on gold before the big run up. And my basis behind that was to rebalance. You had a huge imbalance right here. I bought several times from down here all the way up to here. So definitely want to see this thing go lower. Clear targets down here. I'm very surprised that we did not catch this liquidity over here when this happened. I really thought that's what was going to happen. So let's mark up our sell side liquidity and let's mark up our buy side liquidity. So these are perfect equal highs right here. And I think these are going to stay in place and these are going to be swept. So let's throw our fibs on this price swing here. Okay, so we are right in the kill zone right now. Now the price does not have to come back up here into, you know, this last up move. Its objective was to rebalance, and it definitely did that. So I would be looking for price to go lower from here, or maybe give us consolidation. Maybe give us consolidation Monday, Tuesday, then run up, possibly tapping into this order block right here. Set an alert right there, just a little bit below that. I would be trying to sell from here, but I wouldn't set a pending order because you have clear liquidity here and imbalance with an order block there. So that's another point of interest for me right there. All right, guys. I know this was short, but I got a lot to do right now. I'm gonna cut this short, and I know I've been inactive on my YouTube channel here lately, basically because I've been trying to, you know, further my business, my Discord channel, my mentorship, and things like that. I'm getting a lot of new clients coming in here recently, and I do apologize for the, you know, stagnant activity, but I will promise you this coming up week, I will drop 2 more videos on my YouTube channel. So that'll be a total of 3 videos this week. I really hope y'all subscribe, hit that like button, comment for the algorithm, help me get this YouTube channel off the floor. Okay. My Discord channel is doing great. Now, if I could just get some momentum with my YouTube and get some exposure, I really appreciate that, guys. I'm doing really great things in my community. I have, you know, mentees that are making 5-10 grand a week. It's a beautiful thing to see, and I'm really, really grateful that I can be a part of their journey, you know, further in their careers, like one step closer to that financial freedom that we all deserve, you know, without having to work 60 hours a week, living paycheck to paycheck. Like, don't nobody deserve that. That's what the government wants. They want us to slave at jobs, man. They want to keep us at a certain level. But this skill set right here that I know for a fact that I could teach you, it will give you that freedom. It will give you that time freedom, that financial freedom that you so desperately deserve and need, right? So y'all tune in, man. Plug in with PeezyFX, man. Love y'all. Take care. Until next time, good luck and good trading.